Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do waxing at home, which gives same effect as parlor. You can't really make out whether you have done it at parlor or whether you have done the waxing at home. It's very simple and you can just simply follow the same procedure throughout your body. I mean, if you're going to wax any part of your body, you just need to follow the same procedure, and it is very less pricey compared to the parlor. So I basically do waxing at my home only because I save money in that way. So let's get started with the demo. You will be needing one wax. Now wax comes in a lot of variants like cold wax, hot wax, chocolate wax. Other variants are also there. You'll be needing one spatula, and this is the waxing strips. Today I'm using this cold wax from Sleek. You can also get hot wax, but I prefer cold wax more because even in case of hot wax, you need to heat it for around 30 seconds. And this is a 1200 grams jar, or you can say container. And I take around 4 to 5 months to finish the entire quantity of wax which is present in this container, so it's lasts me very, very long. And this 1200 grams retails for 210 rupees, so which is pretty affordable, because if you go to parlor and if you're going to wax for 4 months, each time it will cost you, for hands it costs around 180 rupees. So it's very affordable compared to the parlors. And I will be using this disposable hygienic strips which I got from a local beauty store. And this is a small container. This is also from Sleek, but it's like this comes in a lot of different quantities. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to transfer some of the wax from this container to here, means the amount which will be required for today, and I'm going to heat it, and then I'll be using this, and I'm going to use a spatula. So today I'm going to use this strip for waxing. This is how the wax looks like. It's yellow gel form, and I have heated the wax in the micro oven for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to apply it. Make sure that you heat your wax after a regular interval of 20 minutes or 15 minutes when it will become sticky, and you will face problem in spreading the wax. That is the time to go and heat the wax again. You can use a micro oven, or you can use a wax heaters. Wax heaters are available on Amazon. You can get it easily from other local stores as well, but I generally use a micro oven. I heat it for around 20 seconds. Be very careful when you're applying the wax. Now make sure that you do not apply hot wax, means after heating the wax, just give it a rest for around 1 minute and then apply it, because if you apply hot wax on your skin may get burned. You will be needing a blunt knife or a spatula, or you can also even use a plastic scale to apply the wax on your arms or your legs or any part of the body. Now I will be waxing my sister's hand. If you could see that I have applied some talcum powder. Make sure that your hand is not wet or it is not sweaty, and you haven't applied any body lotion or any kind of lotion on your skin. That is, your skin should be free of any kind of creams or water based lotions. And if you have, then clean it and then apply a talcum powder on the area on which you're going to put the wax. Hot wax on your spatula and apply it against the direction of the hair. So be sure that if your hair is growing this direction, then you should apply it against the direction of your hair. And then after applying the wax, I'm going to put a waxing strip on it, and then press it for about 10 to 20 seconds. And after pressing it for around 20 seconds, pull it. See, now if you could see, this part has the hair, and this was the part where we waxed. So if you could see that the hair has gone completely. Like this, apply the wax in small sections. Do the same procedure, follow the same procedure again. You will get a parlor-like effect, and if you're doing it for the first time, you may face some difficulty, but once you're doing it on a daily basis, you will be able to do it very properly. See how the hair will come off. See, it came off so easily and so nicely, and you can see that not even a small hair is left. The waxing of one hand is done. So if you could see clearly, you can see that this is the part where the hairs are still present, and this is the hand where the waxing has been done. So you're done waxing, make sure that you moisturize your wax skin. Today I'll be using this lotion by Johnson Parker and applying it on the skin very gently. You can also use a toner or any kind of like Savlon for your wax skin. So apply it very gently and give it a good massage. This will relax your wax skin, and then give it a rest. Video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comments if you want to know regarding any of the informations, like from where you can get this waxes or the strips or anything, or if you want to see videos regarding any of the other parlor treatments, and you can comment in the mention below. I will try to do that as well, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye.